Hi guys, short video here about what you can do if your resident card or former green card has been issued with some errors. Means you have been applying with the correct information, but the DHS, the Department of Homeland Security, has issued the card with wrong data, with wrong information. So there are two problems. The first thing is the cost, and the second thing is what you have to do with your current green card, because it can take quite a long time till you get a new card. So what to do? So the first thing is regarding the cost. When we go down here on this website, that's the uscis.gov, and of course the form is the I-90. When we go down here regarding the filing fee, then we have the different costs here, and of course in this case, because of an error of DHS, we don't have to pay anything. That's the positive thing here. Definitely we can see that also in the fee schedule. That's the large fee schedule. Same thing if filing because the card was issued with incorrect information because of a DHS error, no fee is due. But the second thing is what to do with your existing card, the card which has some errors. And here they are clearly saying that you have to attach the original permanent resident card, the green card, issued with the incorrect data. A copy of the card is not acceptable in this case. And I have a friend who was in the same situation. He asked his immigration attorney what to do, because it can take up to 1.5 years easily to get a new card, and for some things you need the green card. Usually when you apply for credit or maybe DMV or some other government agencies, they will require you to show the green card or the permanent resident card. And of course when you attach the original card, then you can't go for travel, you can't do anything. That's pretty crazy. And so again he asked the immigration attorney, and his suggestion was to not attach the original card. Just send everything in, explain everything, fill out the I-90 form. Don't send any money because it's not your fault. Just file the application and wait and see. And this is what he did, and everything turned out really well. So the new card, the corrected card, was issued after about 1.5 years. The crazy thing, there was no update. I mean, you can open an account and then you are supposed to get any updates, but he didn't get any updates. Just in a sudden, the new permanent resident card arrived in the mail. Of course, that only helps when your card has been issued with very minor errors. He received the card with the wrong gender, female instead of male. Of course, if there are bigger issues like completely wrong name or so, then of course it won't help. But this is it. So I just wanted to let you know and help you a little bit if you're in the same situation. Would be also really interesting to learn from you how it turned out. If you did same thing, please write everything what you have down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.